So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a gas line over to the dryer. Just a little reconfiguration is all. Came out and took this apart and put a brand new T in here. Dropped it down to a 90 so we could get it onto the platform and get it up tight. So we've got it strapped real tight here against the platform. Turn and it goes into a little crawl space which is underneath the stairs in the home. So we don't need any straps there. It's supported fully right here. 2 straps done. This goes through the wall and turns up and makes a transition over to flexible tubing. It's corrugated stainless steel, similar to this, except for you put your own ends on it. So you cut to length and put your own ends on. So we've come up through here, a little strap with some electrical tape on it just to protect the coating. Same thing up here, just to keep it up out of the way so when you're coming in and out of this little cubby, it's not in the way. And then it just kind of stays against the wall, sneaks down the wall here, and then a bunch of straps to support a rigid piece of pipe. Again, another transition fitting here, and then coupling, and then like 12-inch nipple here, and then an 8-inch nipple through the wall, another 90 down here. This has all been sniffed with a detector, which is similar to the same thing PG&E uses to come out when they check for gas leaks. So we sniffed it all, and everything is green light go, so everything is good. On the inside of the building right here, we've got our gas valve stubbed in. It's in the off position. We did put a temporary supply line on with a cap on it in the event that somebody turns that gas valve on. It doesn't flood the home. So right now it is good to go. Outside of that, this installation is done.